Good morning, dear students. Let's start with question number 7, exercise 2.4. Question is: an aeroplane is flying over a mountain peak. If it flies at the height of 8,746 meters from the ground and 4,824 meters from the top of the mountain peak, calculate the height of the mountain peak. Dear students, read the question carefully, listen the question carefully, and think about the answer, what is to be done and how we will find the answer. Here I am showing you the picture. This line is showing the height of an aeroplane from the ground. Height is 8,746 meters from the ground, and here you can see this much height is showing from the mountain peak, and it is 4,824 meters. Right? Now what we will do, we will subtract this number from this number, so we will find the height of a mountain peak. Means from the ground to mountain peak, this much height we will find by this subtraction. Here I am showing you how it is to be done. A height of an aeroplane, you are given 8,746 meters from the ground, right? Next statement, a height of the top of the mountain peak, it is also given 4,824 meters. So what is to be find? The height of the mountain peak is equal to question mark, and this answer we will find by the subtraction. Smaller number will be subtracted from bigger number, and the answer is 3,922 meters. Here it is meters, and this is your final answer. I hope there is no doubt, right? If you are having some doubt, you can repeat the video, you can understand, and you can write down very easily. Now question number 8. Look at the route map. The distance between Dibrugarh and Kanyakumari is 3,728 kilometers. Now look at here, children. One line you are given, and on this line you are given distance of Dibrugarh, Durgapur, Visakhapatnam, Coimbatore and Kanyakumari. This much different distances you are given in kilometers, and observe this detail and give the answer of the following questions. A1. Calculate the distance between Visakhapatnam and Coimbatore. Now here what is to be done? Okay, Dibrugarh to Durgapur, Durgapur to Visakhapatnam and Coimbatore to Kanyakumari. This much distance you are given, and total distance so you are already given. Dibrugarh and Kanyakumari distance is 3,728 kilometers. Now to find this much distance Visakhapatnam to Coimbatore, we will add first of all this and this distance, then that answer we will subtract from the total distance between Dibrugarh and Kanyakumari. So have a look here. The distance between Dibrugarh and Kanyakumari, total distance you are given 3,728 kilometers. Now first of all we will add the distances given, as I said before. 1,308 plus 925 kilometers plus 510 kilometers. All these numbers are in kilometers, and our answer is 2,743 kilometers. Right? Now to find the distance between Visakhapatnam and Coimbatore, we will subtract answer number 2 from answer number 1. Here if you observed, I have labeled answer number 2, and answer number 1 is this one, means total distance, right? So here 3,728 is a Answer number 1 minus 2743 is answer number 2, and our answer is 985 kilometers is the distance between Visakhapatnam and Coimbatore. This is clear, students? I hope there is no doubt. Now, question 8b. Question is, what is the distance between Dibrugarh and Visakhapatnam? Here you can see distance from Dibrugarh to Durgapur, this much is there. Durgapur to Visakhapatnam, 925 kilometers. It means to find the total distance between this to this, we will add both these numbers and we will find our final answer. So distance between Dibrugarh and Visakhapatnam is equal to 1308 kilometers plus 925 kilometers, and our answer is 2233 kilometers. Right? Now C1. Question C. What is the distance between Visakhapatnam and Kanyakumari? Here you can see distance between Visakhapatnam and Kanyakumari. Yes, students, here we have found the distance between Visakhapatnam and Coimbatore. So we will add this much distance in distance between Coimbatore and Kanyakumari, means 510 kilometers, and we will find that answer. Look at here. Distance between Visakhapatnam and Kanyakumari is equal to 985 as we have found in question number 8a. This is that distance plus 510 kilometers, which distance you are already given. This both distance we will add, so our answer will be 1495 kilometers. Now D1 is your homework. I will send you pics by WhatsApp. Thank you and have a nice day.